Now let's begin with a new module that is advanced tax. We'll be learning about semi-additive measures now. Semi-additive measures behaves like balances in a bank account, like this. Summing across regions works fine, but summing across dates gives misleading results. Instead, they capture the last known value at a point in time, such as end of month inventory or daily account balances, making them additive across categories but not across time. Using them ensures time-based analysis reflects reality rather than inflated totals. Let's meet in our next lecture.